So hello once again everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinyere of Juliette Style Glam, and if this is your first time on my channel, you are awesomely welcome to bienvenue. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, you're the real MVP. Thank you so much. Right, now today is all about this beautiful glitter eye, which truthfully I was dying of inspiration. I was dying for lack of inspiration on what to do, and I just said, listen, just do anything, you know. So you guys should tell me what you think about this look. Yeah, and I also did it on my live on my Facebook page, so feel free to check it out, okay? And you can always drop your comments there, and of course not fail to subscribe to the mailing list there, so that you will always be amongst the first to get the tea, you know. Right, so yes, and that's it for this look, and that is exactly what we came out with, and I hope you all get to like it, and I hope you all get to have fun watching this. Right, so of course not fail to follow me on all my social media networks, Instagram, Facebook, and on my blog it's all Juliette Style Glam, except my Twitter, that is Juliette Style. I keep on telling you guys it's Juliette Style Glam. No, it's Juliette Style, and Twitter has refused to change. It's, I don't know why. Okay, all right, so of course not fail to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. Yes, and of course not fail to follow me on all my social media networks. As always, it's all Juliette Style Glam on every platform except Twitter. It's Juliette Style, right? And yeah, until our next video, je vous aime fort, très très fort. You see, I have a feeling I'm making a lot of mistakes in my French. Je vous aime fort. Yes, that's it. Je vous aime fort. Alright, so, and à très bientôt. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Alright, so yeah, I've already gone ahead and primed my face. I used my Fenty Beauty primer for this look, and my Fenty foundation, which comes in 430, that's the neutral shade. Okay, so yeah, we're down to it. So I used also my blending sponge, my beauty blender. It's from a store, it's from a company actually here. I can't remember their name, but their products are very good. I've been using their facials, I've been using their cream, very lovely. I think it has witch in it. It's really a haunted product, seriously, but it has some witch stuff inside it, you know, and it's really good. The beauty blender was a little bit hard, so I had to switch to my, you know, to my brush, and that's my brush by Barbara Hoffman. Very good brush, not so expensive, not so cheap. I bought them in Belgium when I went on holiday sometime last 2 years ago, I think. And that is me. Sorry, I went off focus. That was me. I was actually having a Facebook live video at the same time I was shooting this. So you could always go to my Facebook page. It's Juliette Style Glam, to, you know, watch it if you so please. But then yeah, and yeah, so I'm using my L'Oreal True Match foundation as my highlighter, which I've been doing for a long time. I mean, for me it's, you know, and I'm thinking I think I'm going to buy the L'Oreal True Match foundations, because I really want to try out those foundations for real. I really want to try it, because with this one alone I can testify. Who's there with me? Hello, I can testify with this one. Hello, this is very good. It's the bomb. I really like the consistency, the feel of this product, you know. For L'Oreal, I would say that they outdid themselves. So that's me laughing and dancing to YEBA from Kiss Daniel. I am so in love with his music. He doesn't fail to, you know. There was one story that was coming out, but let's not go into that. Okay, and that is also me chewing gum. Please pardon me. I love to chew gum. I know it's not, well, for me, I don't consider it a bad habit, but you know, I love to chew gum, especially when I finish eating, because it actually does help me digest pretty fast. I hate when I have to eat and then I feel so stuffed, you know, and when I know I didn't have much, just probably, you know, something light, excuse me. Okay, just something light. So as always, I'm using my very regular palette, which I have been using for a long time on this channel. My light palette, my nude palette by Adopt Cosmetics, which I adore, and that's been my go-to. And I used the highlighter also from the same Adopt Cosmetics, and it's actually a highlighter that you use when wet. The color payoff is crazy, but I didn't use it wet here. I just wanted something that was seamless, blendable, beautiful, barely there, but it was there, you know, that kind of thing. You know, that's attraction to the eyes, you know, that kind of thing. So yeah, that was what I was going for, and it gave me what I wanted. You know, the look is not, you know, it's not dramatic, but it's an all over look, and I love it. And it's very simple actually to do, well, save for the glitter and what have you. Now I'm using my tape to really carve out that eye, because I wanted to do, you know, and I was also going for a different eyeliner color. So yeah, I used my tape to do that. Okay, and then after that, you know, I'm applying it with I used my L'Oreal, sorry, what am I saying? I used my Lime Crime Velveteens in Beat. I think that's the color. I'm not sure. I have to check, and I'll put all products in the description box below. You gotta pardon me for that, please. Okay, I'll put all products in the description box below, but it's my Lime Crime that I know, but I can't remember which particular color, the name of that color exactly. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to be using my I'll also be highlighting with my Sacha Buttercup powder, which in this video I actually baked. Ooh, for me it wasn't so bad. Okay, baked. I didn't mix it, I just used it, you know, directly, and the color, it was good. The payoff was nice, I liked it. Okay, yes. And then moving along, okay, and applying that powder in all the spaces and the crevices, especially on my smile lines. I got to put powder. I'm not sure if I did in this video, but then I always remember to always make sure that I put, you know, powder in my smile lines. When you have smile lines, does it really stop it from creasing? No, not to the best of my knowledge, but yeah, it helps. So yes, anyways, so moving along, that is me doing the utmost with my eyeliner, so you guys should pardon me for that. Okay, yes. And then to apply the glitter on my eye, oh girl, stop, oh my god, you are extra. Oh, okay, so let's move along. Hey, stop. Oh, okay, so to apply my glitter, are we still on the eye? Oh, come on, stop it. Okay, so to apply the glitter, I used my, like, seriously, girl, you gotta quit while you're ahead. What? Oh no, no, stop. Why is she this extra? Why do you have to be this way? Okay, sorry, that is actually my NYX. It's not my Lime Crime. It's actually my NYX in Copenhagen. All right, I stand corrected. Okay, so the extra paid off though. Okay, all right, so we move on. Now I used one of my old mascaras, which is colorless, and it has a sticky feel to it. That's what I used to apply glitter. Now I did not want to use glue because of, you know, for fear of the glue getting to my eye. I didn't want that, so I used that mascara, and then I applied the glitter in that spot, just at the corner of my eye, and it's a red glitter. Okay, so maybe we'll call this look the daredevil, yeah, the daredevil red glitter makeup look. Yes, that's what we're gonna call it. Daredevil red glitter makeup look. But you guys decide all the same, okay? You could always come up with your own ideas, who knows? So I put that in the corner of my eye. And yeah, for this you can also use gel, okay? You could also use a mixture of aloe vera gel, alcohol, and some glitter for this. I think it's gonna work just fine. I'm thinking about doing a video with an all over glitter look. I'm just wondering how I'm gonna look doing that. Okay, so yeah, moving on. And then I'm going to be applying, I'm going to be, you know, blending all that beautiful highlighting with my MAC Cosmetics in dark deep. Okay, and then we're going to be using my blush, or that blush from Slick in Flushed, one of my favorite blushes. Beautiful color, beautiful payoff. Formidable. And then for highlights, yes, we're still on the cheeks. Okay, sorry, I stand corrected. Okay, so for highlights, okay, we're still contouring as always. Okay, and then we're gonna apply our mascara as well. Wow. Okay, and I'm sure that is for the my false eyelashes. Okay, so we're gonna take a deep breath and breathe. Just hold it in, because applying falsies on camera, wow. It's okay. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Oof. Okay, so there was no accident there. Everything seemed to be going on well. Everything seems to be going on smoothly. All right. Okay, that's enough. Don't spoil it. Don't spoil it. Okay. Yes, you see me giving you the sexy vibes there. Don't spoil it. Okay, be careful. Don't. It's okay. Don't. Oh my God, don't you ever listen, child. All right. Okay, moving on. So yes, we have to really, you know, for me, yeah, it was important that the eye had to, you know, I had to, you know, apply the eyeliner, you know, make it, you know, really pop, so that, you know, the look will be very prominent. And yeah, and then I'm using my highlighting dust from Bourjois. I bought this highlighting brush from them. It's part of a collection, and it's one of the best pigments I've ever bought from Bourjois. I've tried to find, you know, other colors, maybe in orange and brown. I haven't seen it. Like I said, it's a collection, and I bought it like some time ago, and it's beautiful. It has this kind of wet feel to it, and it has its own brush, and the way it comes out from a very small, very small. The brush is attached, and it comes out from a very small, tiny hole. Okay, but there is no other thing that can go in it except that brush, and I so love it. It's blendable, it's beautiful. You can just go crazy on this one. Look at that highlight. Oh, I said I'm in love. You guys don't mind my voice. I've had a flu for a very long time. See the sexy eyes once again. Look at that. And now this is me using my lip gloss from Gosh. Pretty expensive, pretty pricey, but I love this gloss so much. I hardly do glosses, but this one, oh my freaking goodness. The packaging, everything. It has a mirror. I don't care for the mirror because it's too small, but then it's the lights. Look at that. Oh my God. And you know, I'm still giving you the look, you know, something light, you know, that kind of thing. Yeah, that's it. Look at those lips. Look at those lips shine. And those eyes pop. Yeah, babe. Okay. And that's it for this look. Thank you all so much for being so patient.